Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards. These are for your general energies, Pisces. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys, Pisces. And I have a special pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch that, Pisces. Let's start with these cards here. We have Seven of Moons in reverse, the Fool and Ace of Suns. So Pisces, with these cards in your situation, guys, maybe today you are dreaming, you are quite, in a very relaxed mode. You are, maybe you have found that balance in your situation, or you are simply relaxed, taking a break maybe from your work, or having a good time today, having fun today, and you are curious about something. Maybe you are curious, you want to find out about certain things in your work, or you want to find out about this person you love. Maybe you are asking people who know them about them, finding out what they are, and maybe about their personality or whatever qualities you want to find out about them. So you are curious about something, guys, today, and you have huge dreams and maybe dreams about this person you love and aspirations. Maybe you are taking a holiday, taking a break from work, and you are having huge plans for your future, and you are simply dreaming about it with this person, and you are trying to find out more about them, about this person. And if you do not take up that actions, guys, actions or efforts, if you do not make the efforts to reach your dreams, you are maybe it is all going to simply be some kind of an illusion today. So only if you dream and only when you go for that efforts, you are going to succeed, guys, Pisces. And I also see that there is a new beginning in your situation. It may be this relationship, there maybe you are interested to be in this connection with someone, so you are curious and finding out about them, and maybe this may be the beginning of a new relationship for both of you, guys. Or for some of you, you are maybe taking the next step. Maybe you are starting to make the efforts what we spoke of. Maybe you just don't want to just dream, you want to make the efforts to reach your dream, guys. So some positive move with confidence, and you are someone who is creative and talented, guys, and maybe you may also get a creative career path, a new beginning in some creative path. And there is also some kind of that unpredictable energy in your situation, guys. So there are some offers, but we don't know what you're going to take up, or you yourself don't know what is going to interest you at the spur of the moment. Or it may be in this relationship, you don't know what you're going to do. So some kind of that careless attitude, that is what you have today, guys, Pisces. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have Five of Spheres. So with this card in your situation, guys, you are someone who is honest, and you are striving really hard, guys, making the efforts to be honest. Maybe you are telling the truth to this person, what you feel or what are your dreams and fantasies, and you are openly trying to communicate with this person, telling them your interest, and you are, what to say, striving hard. Maybe you want this person and you are trying to make them understand, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may lack that confidence. You don't have that confidence. You want this person's approval, guys. So that may be the reason we see these cards here. So you want their approval. Maybe you are interested in them and you want them to come towards you. So some kind of you are waiting for them to understand you and come towards you, maybe, guys. Or some dreams or some fantasies you have about this person you are in connection with. Maybe you are not bold enough to talk to them about it, and you want them to come out with their dreams and goals. So you don't have that confidence when you are with this person, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. The Moon in reverse. So in your career situation, maybe you would have done some mistakes. So you are really stressed because of that, because of those mistakes, whatever you did. But you are trying to overcome all that, guys, Pisces. So that is what I see, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines. And maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected. And if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. and there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this crystal and this card. It is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy, or suffering or depending on someone too much. Maybe that may be the reason. You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self-sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So this is the time for that. This is the time. Maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself, and time to give that other person freedom, and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone, or spend time with your friends, or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship, and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person, or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.